Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a drop. I decided to make something like a copy of a drop by Martin Garrix in third party, a track called Lines in the Wind. It's something like a progressive house or big room house. Actually, I don't know how to call this genre in 2025 because back in the days it called like progressive house, now it called big room house. Actually, I don't know what the genre is, so please type in the comment if you know the particular name of this genre, but let me show you what we have. Listen to this original track in the link in the description. I leave the link to this original track, and I decided to make a drop like that. Of course, I don't know how it was produced. I don't know what instruments Martin Garrix and third party used in this track, but I tried to make something like a copy. So let me show you this drop and I'll explain how I made it. It sounds like that. I know it's not 100% copy, but I tried to make it closer. So here we have a bass drum. I decided to use bass drum from my pack, but we can use something like kick, like in Vengeance. Actually, it's up to you, or maybe you have your own cool progressive house or big room house kick, you can use it. So we have here a right, and we have a few drums. Something like that. Yeah, by the way, this kind of feel I heard in the original track. By the way, you can hear it sounds almost similar. That's why I decided to use this one here. So we have the rhythm section like that. Yeah, we have a bass, actually it's sub bass. As you see, we have these slides. It's something like a portamento feature for sub bass. Also we have here something like a soul bass. And it sounds really interesting. Also we have something like a bass guitar. Maybe we should use not so big saw here. Maybe we should use maybe more filtered saw, I don't know, but I decided to use this one because in the original track it sounds really bright. Yeah, that's why I used this saw here. Also I have three layers of something like a cord. Also we have something like a plug. Yeah, and we have the main synth, main lead. I decided to use 5 layers here. By the way, a lot of sounds here. It's so wave. If you see, it's something like yeah, we have so wave here and there. Also in the mid bass, yes, we have 2 saws, 2 oscillators, and I guess this genre are producing something like using this sauce. So another layer we have here. Actually, it's a Nexus, a preset called Tunnel Vision. I really like how it sounds. We have piano. It's from Nexus Factory preset 2. I mean from Nexus 5, of course. By the way, it's this preset called Drill Piano. Let me show you. We need a piano section. Yeah, something like that. And we have another layer. It's from also from EDM 10 lead called Boost Up. And it sounds octave lower, something like we have 2 octaves of these saws, and that's why it sounds more massive. Of course, you can use other layers for this lead because I'm not producing in this genre, because I'm not a big fan of this genre, but I tried to make something like that in the style of this track. Something like that. So let me know what do you think about this drop. Maybe you have some advices how to improve it. Maybe I should mute some layers or add some layers. Anyway, let me know in the comments what do you think, guys. I'll upload this small project to my Patreon and Boosty. You can easily download it. Maybe you want to check this drop, maybe you want to improve it, maybe you want to make a track in this genre, maybe change some chords or melody and make your own track, by the way. So feel free to check the links in the comment. And Mencho was here. Bye bye, guys.